everyone, welcome back to Dev Rayyan. Today we are building a stylish coffee app from scratch using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Whether you are a beginner or looking to practice your front-end skills, this project is perfect for creating a smooth, interactive user experience. In this video, I will walk you through every step to create a visually appealing coffee menu with clickable items, animations and more. So, if you're ready, grab your coffee, open your code editor and let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more projects just like this one. Okay, so now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. Guys, let's get started to build the coffee app. And first of all, you have an text editor or any text editor you have, there is your own choice. But I prefer you will be use the Visual Studio Code or Sublime text editor or none of else. Okay, I prefer you use the Sublime or Visual Studio Code. Okay, for now, for this video, I'm using the Sublime Visual Studio Code. So now let me tell you how to download the Visual Studio Code. To download the Visual Studio Code, you go on to your Google Chrome and search here Google. And here you only write the Visual Studio Code download, download. And when you click here, the first link has became like Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux and Windows. Click here. Now, there is three links is coming like Windows, Linux and Mac. So if you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Windows or download on Windows. Okay. I have already downloaded, so I have did not download it at that time. So now I am opening my Visual Studio Code. So I have already made the file of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here I make a one folder about the coffee app, and here I make one file about one file is index.html, and here I make one more folder assets by the name of assets, and when I click it, here I created a three more folders. In these four folders, there is the first folder is CSS. In the CSS folder, there is a CSS file by the name of style.css. Then there is one images folder, and then there is a JavaScript folder where my JavaScript file has been stored. Here you can see it. But anyways, let's start to write a code. Now, index.html. So first of all, you write like doc type, then HTML. Here you write like lang, so will be en. Head, meta, chart set should be UTF -8, and then meta, name, viewport, and then here you write like content should be width equals to device minus width, comma, initial slash scale equals to 1.0. Now favicon, link should be rel, shortcut icon, then href, img, and I'm writing my image favicon.png, and then type should be image x/icon. Now here I define a remix icons. Then link will be href https will be /cdn dot jsdeliver.net, and then /npm /remix icon @2.5.0/font/remix icon .css, and then here I write like rel will be style sheet. Okay, now here we define now CSS. Now we link the CSS file. Okay, for link will be rel style sheet href asset css, and then here I'm writing style.css. Now I'm giving it a title to my website, and my title to a website is website not app, coffee app by Dev Rayyan. Now enter, now body, now header, header class will be header, id will be header, and then div class will be header underscore border, and then enter. Nav class will be nav container, enter, and then a href hashtag class will be nav logo, and then I'm defining the image, and the image series will be assets, image will be logo.png, and then arts will be logo, and then here I write like coffee to. Okay, coffee to, and then div class nav menu, ul class nav list, then li class nav item, and then nav item, enter, and then a href hashtag home class nav link should be active link, then here we define like I class will be ri slash home of, then 5 slash fill, then span should be home, then copy it like that till here, then paste it, and then remove this active link and write here about, and now copy it and now paste it one more time and erase this, and here you also write, about, here you write like steps, and here you also write steps, and where you write about, here you write ri award slash fill, ri award fill, and then in the steps you write here ri slash compass slash 3 slash fill, and then here we write like a testimonial, and then here I am writing like ri message slash 3 slash fill, and we raise this about, here we write like testimonial, and now perfect. So now nothing we do, enter press here, and now define the main. Okay, main class will be main, so home is being started, section class will be home section, IDs will be home, then div class home container will be container grid, enter, then div class will be home data, and then enter, and then we defining like h2 class will be home subtitle, and it is exceptional quality. Okay, and then here we do like h3, and here we also do like h3. Now h1, in the h1 you write like class first of all home title, enter press, and here you write like it's time for then beer tag good coffee. Now perfect, enter press, image Syric access img home coffee title.png alt homepage. Enter press, now define a p, class will be home description, and then enter press, then write each select coffee bean reflects our commitment to Peruvian coffee growers, comma, then write here who bring the best select coffee to your table dot. Now enter press, now we define a button, href class will be button, enter, and the button name will be get started, and right here I class will be ri slash arrow slash right slash s slash line. Perfect. So now we enter press from here, and then we write here image Syric assets img home coffee dot png all home image, and class will be home img. Perfect. Enter press. Now we define a product section, class will be products, this will be class will be products underscore pg section, and then we write like div class will be products containers will be grid, and then enter press, and then we write here div products data, then enter press. Now let me do what we can write here. We write like a href hashtag about class will be products will be button. Now enter press, now buttons will be scroll down, then I will be class ri slash arrow slash down slash s slash line. Now enter press. Now what we can do here, we define a p class products description, and now here we enter press, and we write here we strive to form deep partnership with farmers from all over the world to create perspective together and form healthy working relationships built on trust and respect. Now, when our work is done till here, now we see where our build it. So let me open my app, and now till here it has been built it. Here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. Now come here, enter, press. Now div class shall be products content article class products card. Then img should be seric acid. img should be product copy1.png alt products image, and then class should be products img. Okay, now h1 should be class products name, and coffee name is classic coffee. Okay, and then here we write like span products price, and the price will be 17.90. Okay, and then we define one more article. For this article we copy this article, and let me give the space and then paste it, and here I give the coffee 2, and here I am writing like black coffee, and here I am giving 24.90. This we here pasted one more time, and here I give the coffee 3, and the coffee 3 is strong coffee. And then here we define like 32.90. Then enter. Now we define our about section, about id, about div class will be about bg section, and then enter press, and now div class will be about underscore container will be container grid, and then here we define like div class about data, then h2 class section title, and then here we write like our history, and then enter, then p class about description, and then we write here we make and grow the best coffee in Peru, accompanying families since 1930, with professional okay professional workers who then enterprise harvest, collect and select the coffee with quality work, this providing exquisite coffee to enjoy together as a family, and then here we define like image, seric acid image, about coffee.png, alt about image, and then class will be about image. Now enter press. Now we define our steps chapter. For that we define a section of class steps. Iris will be also be steps. Enter, and then Dev class will be steps. So add bg active bg section. Sorry. Steps bg section, then enter press, and then h2 class will be section title, and then here you write like steps of manufacturing our products, and then enter press, then Dev class steps containers will be created, then img seric assets img coffee beans bg.png, then alt steps image, and in class you write like steps bg slash img, then Dev class steps content, and then here we write like image seric assets img steps curve line dot svg, then alt steps image, and then class will be steps border. Steps border. Now that's it. So now what we can do now, enter press. Now we define like Dev class steps card, then Dev class steps circle, and then Dev class will be steps subcircle, will be 01, and then here we define like 01, and then here we define like img seric assets img steps green coffee apps green coffee. Now here we define like alt steps image class steps img, enter p will be class steps description. Okay, and then here when we do like that description, here we enter press, and here we write like description like Nirmish occurs annually when the coffee beans reach maturity and are collected for processing dot. Now when we do like that, here we write like enter. Now here when we do like that, enter Dev. Now you do the same thing. Okay, so copy it from where from let me tell you where you will be copied, like step circle, okay, copy it from here till here. Okay, copy it and then enter and paste it. Then here in the here you write like steps card equals to move, sorry, slash move, and then you write like here 02, and then you give the coffee name should be steps coffee beans. Okay, then steps image, and then here you write like the description is the beans are dried using a wet or dry technique, comma, depending on the taste we want to obtain. Now, perfect. Now, do the same thing, paste it, and now what you can do now here, erase this paragraph and write the coffee is roasted and acquires its flavor by processing the grain in ovens, comma, the dot, and then image gift should be steps ground coffee.png, and then give him will be 03. Now let's come on our testimonials. Write our testimonial code like testimonial, and then id testimonial, dev class testimonial, and then here we give like testimonial at the pg section. Okay, so now when we do like that, so here we give like testimonial bg section, enter press, and then dev class testimonial container will be grid, and then enter, and then dev class will be testimonial data, and then here we give like, and here I give like h2, class will be section title, enter, then coffee is the best drink in the morning, comma, it keeps you focused, and then span class will be testimonial underscore name will be John Doe, and then here I am writing like image will be Cyric assets img will be testimonial coffee.png, then alt will be testimonial image, and then class testimonial underscore img. Now we end our main, so now we define a footer, class will be footer, and then div will be class will be footer underscore bg, then img Cyric assets img should be coffee beans bg.png, and then alt should be footer image, and then class will be footer underscore bg and minus image, enter, then div class footer underscore container, and then container grid, and then div class footer underscore data grid, and then div, and then enter, and then a href hashtag class will be footer logo, enter, img Cyric assets img logo.png, alt will be logo, and then enter, then write here coffee to, enter, h3 class will be footer title, then footer title will be sign up for our newsletter. Now enter, now form action class form data, footer underscore form grid, and then enter. And then here we write like input type email, and then placeholders will be enter email address, class footer underscore input, button, class will be button, footer should be button, and then input should be also be submit. Sorry, input not type. Sorry, not type. Here you are like tube. What is written down? Okay, tube shall be submit. And now when you write it like this, so now let me tell you what you can do now. You will be enter press from here, and then you write here subscribe, and then I, then class, then ri slash arrow slash write as line. Now what we can do now, enter press, now p class footer description. Now enter, then here we write like we care about your data dot read our. Now a href hashtag class footer privacy, and now here we write like privacy policy. Enter then div class footer content grid, div class footer social, then enter, then a href will be https / and then www.facebook.com/. Then here we write like target will be blank, and then class footer social / link, and now that's it. So now here we write like I class ri / facebook / fill. So now what we can do now, enter press a href https / www.instagram.com, and then slash. And now what we can do now, here we define target blank, and then class will be footer social / link. Now what we can do now, we define here I class ri / instagram / fill. And now what we can do now, enter press no. So when our work is done, enter press, then here we write like a href https / www.twitter.com/. Then here you write like target blank, and then class, here you write like footer social link, and then I class ri / twitter / fill. Now enter span class footer copy, enter, then copyright, and then and hashtag 169 and then and hashtag 169 2023 all rights reserved. This template is made with by then a href. Here I put my YouTube logo, my YouTube Dev Rayyan. There my YouTube admin came. Okay. Now I'm copying it and paste it. And here I'm writing Dev Rayyan. Perfect. Now enter press, then a href hashtag class scroll up, and then id should be also be scroll up. Enter, then I class ri slash arrow slash up slash line script Serek asset js equals to scroll reveal dot min dot js, and then here you write like script Serek assets, okay, main dot js. Save it and let me come here and let me open it. Okay, save it and write here JavaScript. Should be scroll reveal dot min dot js. Save it and run it. So it is all built it in our HTML. So now let's write our CSS code. Okay, now let's start to write it. So let's open our style.css file. Okay, I have opened it like this. Here you can see it. So now let's start to write it. First of all, let me see. Now first of all, I have this colors. Okay, I am pasting this colors. Okay, this is only the colors. Okay, this is the colors. Here you can see it. I have pasted it. Okay, so now first of all, when I pasted it, so now let me tell you what we can do now. First of all, we define a star, and here we write like box sizing should be border box, and then we define here padding should be 0 and the margin should be also be 0. Then I define like HTML, here I like scroll behavior should be smooth. Then body font family var should be body font, and then font size var should be normal font size, and then background color should be var white color, then color var text color. UL list style should be none, and then P text decoration should be none. IMG max width should be 100%. Height auto. Enter, and then dot container max width 112 pixels, and then margin inline should be 1.5 rem. Dot grid should be display should be grid. Gap 1.5 rem. Dot section padding block should be 4.5 rem and 3.5 rem. Then dot section title should be color var slash title color, and then font size var slash big font size, then font family should be var second font, and then font weight should be var font regular. Line height should be 120%, and text align should be center, and then enter. Then here we write like margin bottom 1.5 rem. Dot main overflow should be hidden. Dot header should be position should be fixed, then top should be 0, left should be also be 0, enter, and then width 100%, background color should be var / first color, and then z index should be var / z fix, then transition should be background 0.4 seconds, comma, box shadow 0.4 seconds. Now when we do like this, so what can I do? Now enter press. Here you write dot header should be border. Give the width 100%. Give the height 2 pixels. Background image should be linear gradient 90°. Comma should be var. And give him should be / text color light 50%, comma, transparent. Okay, transparent 50%, comma, transparent should be 50%. Now perfect. Okay, now it is perfect. So now when I do like this, like transparent, let me remove this M. Transparent should be 50%. Okay, so now here I am giving like background size should be 24 pixels, and then position should be absolute, bottom should be 0, left should be 0, transition should be opacity be 0.3 seconds, and then enter, then here you can interpret, then dot nav, height var / header height, display should be flex, and then justify content should be center, align item should be center. Dot nav logo should be color var / white color, display flex, align item should be center, and then column gap should be 0.5 rem, and then font size should be var h3 font size, and then font family var / second font. Then dot nav logo img, I'm giving him width should be 28 pixels. Then @media screen and max width 1220 pixels should be dot nav underscore menu. I'm giving him position should be fixed, and then bottom should be 0, background should be linear gradient 100°, comma, var, and in the var I am writing like the first color, and then I am writing 0% and first color in the 0%, and in the 0% we write like var. In the var we write like first color alt, then enter, then 100%, and now perfect, and then this rounded bracket. And when we do like this, so now we define like border radius will be 56 pixels, 56 pixels, 0 should be 0. Then box shadow should be 0, should be -2, 12 pixels. Then HSLA, then here you write like 12, 32%, 12%, and then 0.3. Then width should be 100%. Padding should be 1.25 rem, will be 4 rem. Now enter press dot nav list. Here I define like display flag, justify content should be space between. Dot nav link color var slash white color. Then font family should be var second color, second font, and then here we write like font size 10 pixels. Display flags, and then flag direction should be column, and then align item should be center. Then row cap should be 0.25 rem. Transition should be color 0.3 seconds. Dot nav underscore link should be I. Here we write like background should be linear gradient 180 degree, comma HSL. Here we write like 39 comma 62% comma then 75%, and then when you do like this, here you write like 0% and then comma then HSL one more time, and then right here like 39 comma then 62% then comma then 45%. Okay, then 100%. And when you do like this, right here colors will be transparent, and then write slash webkit slash background clip. I'm writing here text. Now enter press, then font size I'm giving him 1.5 rem, and then when we do like this, save it. Okay, sorry, font size should be 1.5 rem. Save it and run it. So till here it has been built it. Here you can see it. So now let's come on it here and let's build. And now we write here nav link hover should be color var slash second color dot scroll header. Okay, not underscore slash header. Box shadow should be 0 2 pixels 8 pixels. HSLA should be 12, then 32%, and then 12%, and then here we write like 0.5. Dot scroll header dot header underscore border opacity should be 0. Enter, and then here we write like dot active slash link color var slash second color, then dot items background linear gradient should be 100 degree, comma var first color, and then 0% comma var should be first color or then 100%. Then dot home should be container padding top should be 2 rem, and then here we write like row gap 1 rem. Dot home data should be text align center, and then home subtitle font size var CSS normal font size, and then color var / second color, and then font weight will be var / font medium, and then margin bottom 0.75 rem, then dot home, title comma, then home, description, color var / white color, dot home will be title, text align will be initial, then font size will be var / biggest font size, and then font family should be var will be second font, and then font weight should be var, font should be regular, line height should be 170%, and then margin should be 0, auto should be 2 rem, and then enter press, and then position should be relative, and then width should be max content, and then dot home title img should be width 80 pixels, and then position should be absolute, then right should be -1 rem, and then bottom should be -1.25 rem, and now perfect. Now dot home description margin bottom should be 2 rem, enter press, and now here we write like dot home img should be width should be 320 pixels, and then just self should be center, and then dot button I am writing dot button should be display inline flex, and then align item should be center, and then column cap should be 0.5 rem, then here I write like background color should be var / second color, and then padding should be 1 rem, should be 1.5 rem, and then here I am writing like border radius should be 4 rem, color var / title color, font weight should be var / font medium, and then box shadow should be 0, 8 pixels, 32 pixels, HSLA should be 39, 62%, 65%, and then 0.25. Transition should be box shadow 1.3 seconds, and then dot button I font size I'm giving 1.5 rem, and transition should be transform 0.3 seconds. Now dot button should be hover, box shadow I am giving 0, 8 pixels, 48 pixels, HSLA will be 39. Okay, we copy this up. Okay, copy it and paste it. And only I'm changing it from here 3. Okay, so now dot button hover I will be transform, will be translate x will be 0.25 rem. Save it and run it. So till here our work is done. Here you can see it. So now let me tell you what we can do now till here our work is done. So now let me tell you now what we can do now. So let's start to write a code. So here we write like dot products, and background colors will be background colors will be var slash first alt color alt, and then what we can do, enterprise dot products will be bg, background colors will be var slash first color, and then border radius will be var slash border section, and then dot product container. Here I am writing like dot products containers will be background, sorry, row gap 3.5 rem, 0.5 rem. Now when we do like that, so we and now here we write like dot products button display inline block, then align items will be center, column gap should be 0.5 rem, and then I'm giving him here background color should be var, will be slash first color alt, and then here I'm writing like padding should be 1 rem, should be 1.5 rem, and then here I'm giving like border radius will be E4 rem, and then I'm giving him color should be var slash white color, and then enter press. And now font weight should be var slash font medium, and then here I'm enter press, then here I'm writing like box shadow will be 0, 8 pixels, 24 pixels, HSLA will be 12, then here I'm giving like 32%, and then here I'm giving like 8%, and then here I'm giving like 0.5. And then here I'm writing when we do like this we enter press, and then here I'm writing like margin bottom should be 2 rem, and then transition should be a box shadow 0.3 seconds comma transform 0.3 seconds, then dot product button I will be font size 1.5 rem, and then dot product button will be hover box shadow 0, 8 pixels, 32 pixels, HSLA should be 12, 32 should be 8%, should be 0.6, and then here I am writing like transform should be translate should be y should be minus 0.35 rem. Enter, and then here you write like dot products data comma dot products cart, then in the bracket you write like text align will be center, color will be var slash white color. Now dot products will be content, display will be grid, and grid template will be column will be repeat 2 comma 1 fr, and then justify content will be center, gap will be 3.5 rem and 4.5 rem, then dot products img I'm giving the width of it 120 pixels, filter I'm giving him will be drop shadows will be like 0, 4 pixels, 16 pixels, HSL, and then HSL, and then in the HSL I'm writing here like 12 comma 32%, and then I'm writing here comma, then here I'm writing like 16%. Now perfect, and then margin bottom I'm giving him 1.5 rem, and then transition should be transform should be 4 seconds, transform should be 4 seconds, now 0.4 seconds, and then dot products underscore img should be hover. Then transform should be translate should be y will be minus 0.35 rem, and then enter press, and then here I am writing like dot product name comma dot product price, and then here I am writing like font size var should be h2 font size, and then font family should be var / second font. Then font weight should be var / font regular. Line height 120%. Now enter. Now dot about background color should be var / first color. Then dot about should be bg background color var / white color, and border radius should be var / border section. Enter press. Now dot about container row gap should be 3 rem, and then dot about should be data, and I'm writing like here text align should be center, and then dot about img I'm giving him width 320 pixels and 20 pixels. Then border radius should be 1 rem, then justify ourselves should be center, and then enter. Now steps dot steps background color should be var / white color, position should be relative. Dot steps bg I'm giving him should be background color should be var / first color. Then I'm giving him should be border radius var / border section. Then dot steps container should be padding top should be 2 rem. Then dot steps dot section title comma dot steps should be description. Here I am giving him color var / white color. Dot steps content display grid, then row gap should be 8 rem, position relative. Now dot steps card width 350 pixels, and z index will be 10. 350 not 250. And now when we do like that, interpret, then dot steps circle width 150 pixels, then height 150 pixels, and then background color var / first color light, and then border radius should be 50%, and then box shadow should be 0, 8 pixels should be 32 pixels, HSLA, and then enter, and then 8% should be 0.3, and then display flags align item should be center, justify content should be center, and then position should be relative, and then margin bottom should be 1.5 rem, and then enter. Then dot steps img width 120 pixels, then filter drop shadow should be 0, 4 pixels should be 16 pixels, HSL, and then 12 comma 32% comma will be 16%. Now transition should be transform should be 0.3 seconds. Dot steps img hover transform should be translate y minus 0.35 rem. Dot steps subcircle width 50 pixels, height 50 pixels, background color should be var / second color, and then position should be absolute, top should be minus 0.75 rem, then left should be 0, and then display should be flex, align item should be center, justify content should be center, and then here I am writing like border radius should be 50%, font size should be var / h1 font size, and then here we give like then here I give like font weight. It should be, I'm giving font weight should be var / font semi-bold, and then color should be var / first color, and then outline should be 10 outline should be 10 pixels, solid var / first color. Now when I do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do. Then dot steps card / move comma, then dot steps card / move dot steps circle, and now margin left should be 0, sorry not 0, auto, dot steps card / move comma, dot steps description should be text, align should be right. Now when we do like that, so enter press, now we give like dot steps should be border, position should be absolute, then left should be 3 rem, and then right should be 0, top should be 1.5 rem, then margin should be 0, should be auto, dot steps should be bg / img, position should be absolute, top 14 rem, left 0, then width 100%, height 70%, object fit should be cover, object position should be minus 132 pixels, and then opacity 0.15. Now save it and then run it. Let me show you where is our app. Sorry, there is our app. Now run it. So now till here it has been built. Here you can see it beautifully. Yes, here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. Now what here we can do, dot testimonial, and then testimonial. What we can write here, let me tell you. First of all, background color var / first color, and then dot testimonial bg background color var / white color, and then border radius var / border section. Now dot testimonial container row gap should be 3 rem, and then enter press. Now dot testimonial should be name, should be font weight var / font medium, dot testimonial should be img width 320 pixels, and then border radius should be 1 rem, justify self should be center. Now dot footer background colors will be var / white color, enter press. Now position should be relative, enter, dot footer underscore bg background color var / first color alt, and then here I am giving like border radius will be var / border section, and now dot footer container padding block should be 4 rem, should be 7 rem. Row gap should be 4.5 rem. Position relative, and then dot footer underscore data. Text align center, and then enter press, and then row gap should be 6.5 rem. Sorry, 4.5 rem, and then enter. Then dot footer, dot logo, dot footer, title, comma, dot footer, input, comma, then dot footer, then underscore, then description, comma, then dot footer underscore or social slash link, comma, and then we small it. Now perfect, not comma here, then color var slash white color. Now dot footer logo, display inline flex, and then here I am giving align item should be center, and then I am giving here column gap should be 0.5 rem, font size var slash s3 font size, and then font family I am giving him like for var slash second font, and sorry, second font, yeah, and then here I am giving like margin bottom should be 1 rem, and then enter. Now when you're till here your work is done, then you write footer logo, then img, then write here width 28 pixels, then footer title underscore title, okay, footer underscore title. Now font size will be var slash big font size, and then font family should be var slash second font, and then font weight should be var slash font regular, and then line height should be 120%. Now dot footer form should be row gap 1 rem. Then here I am giving the wall footer input, comma, then dot footer button, border should be none, then outline should be also be none, and then font family should be var slash body font, and then one more size, font size var slash normal font size, then font weight var slash font medium. Now when you do like this, so now let me tell you what you can do. In the button you write button. Now dot footer input, here you guys write like width 100%, background transparent, border 2 pixels, solid var slash text color light, padding 1.15 rem, 1.5 rem, then border radius 8 rem, not 8 rem, 4 rem. Okay, now right here dot footer input, dot footer input, and right here placeholder also, and then enter press, and then right here color var slash text color light, then dot footer button, right here padding block should be 1.25 rem, then justify content should be centered, then cursor should be pointer. Now enter press, dot footer description, here you write font size var slash small font size, enter, then dot footer privacy, here I am writing like color var slash second color, dot footer privacy, then right here hover should be text decoration should be underlined. Then dot footer should be social again. Display flags, justify content should be center, and then column gap 7 rem or 2 rem. Now perfect. Now what you can do now? Now dot footer social slash link font size 1.25 rem, enter press, and then transition should be color 3.3 seconds. Transition should be color 3 seconds. Now dot footer again, right here dot footer underscore social slash link, then hover and write color var slash second color, and then enter. Dot footer copy should be color var slash text color light, font size var smaller font size, and then text align should be center. Dot footer underscore copy should be a font size var slash smaller font size, and then margin bottom 2 rem, color should be var slash text color light, transition 0.3 seconds easy, then dot footer copy, okay, dot footer copy, erase this footer, and then right here dot footer copy a, and here write like a underscore then semicolon hover, then right here color should be var slash second color, and text decoration should be underlined. Now dot footer bg slash img position absolute, and then top 0 left 0, and then width 100%, height 100%, and then object fit should be covered, and then right here object position should be minus 172 pixels, and then opacity should be minus 0.15. Now done. So now when your work is done, so all work is your done very successfully. Yes, so now let's write some little bit JavaScript code. Now to write a JavaScript code, you write only const scroll header, then this, then write like this, and then right here question mark, this underscore, then greater than sign, and like this. Okay, then right here const header underscore document got get element by id should be in the single comma header. So only you write it. So now let me show you the interface what we build it in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let me show you the interface of it. We write our all code of HTML. So here we write like code, Dev Rayyan. Okay, so save it from here, and save it from here also. Okay, and we write all codes of HTML, and we also link our HTML file to CSS to JavaScript. Okay, so now let me save it, and let me go on my there is my coffee app. Now let me refresh it. So now it is looking like this, but it is not giving me the output. So let me show you why. Assets CSS. Okay, I am thinking the assets spelling is incorrect. Okay, let me copy it and let me paste this assets, save it, and in this asset there is my CSS file by the name of style.css. Okay, now save it. I by the mistake I write styles. Now run it. So now it has been coming. it is giving me the error because of here I write like styles, not style. Okay, here I write like style, so now it is coming like this. So now let me show you the interface of it. So first of all, there's coming the interface of it. Here you can see it. Now let me give the output. So here you can see it. We easily has built it. First of all, there is a one image is coming in the right side of the page. There is a one coffee bottle, and then the tea, the coffee tea picture has been coming like here. And then in the here just write it like exceptional quality, and in the very beautiful font it is writing like it's time for a good coffee. And there is a one image has been built, and then the description has written like each select coffee bean reflects our commitment to pre-version coffee growers who bring the best select coffee to your table. There is a one paragraph has been written, and then the below there is a one very beautiful button has been made it in the golden color. Here you can see it in a very beautiful button has been made it, and when I hovering this button it is hovering very beautifully, as here you can see it. And then in the up section there is a one header when navbar has been built with the dashes line, and here's one logo has been coming of the coffee dough. Here you can see it. And then in the here it is coming like about home, about, steps, and testimonials. And when my cursor is going to the about, it is hovering very beautifully, as when my cursor is going to the about, here you can see it. And now let's come down. In the down there is a one like classic coffee price is coming, and classic coffee, I put the classic coffee image here. And when I am my cursor is going to the classic coffee, it is coming in the up. Here you can see like that. And then here the black coffee and its price is written down, and there's this is the image of it. And then strong coffee, this is the image of strong coffee, and its price has been also be written. And here is a one button of the scroll down, and when my cursor is going it is coming like here. Here you can see it. And here one description is written: we strive to form deep partnership with farmers from all over the world to create perspective together and form healthy working relationship built on trust and respect. Now let's come on about. In about there is one image is coming, and here is coming like our history, and there is one history has been written. Here you can see it. Then let me come to the steps. In the steps of manufacturing our product, there is a here he wrote it down the steps also. And first steps is harvest occurs annually when the coffee beans reach maturity and collected for processing. Then step 2, and there is a pictures are also be mentioned. And when my cursor is going to the picture is coming in the up. And there is the step 3. And in the background there is a one beautiful background image has been written with the little bit opacity. Here you can see it. Now let's come on our testimonials. In the testimonials, coffee is the best drink in the morning, it keeps you focuses. And John Doe, here the name has been written by the John Doe, and there is a one an image has been written of the coffee. Here you can see it. Now testimonials. Now here's a footer. Okay, this is a footer like sign up for our new lister, and there is a button, and here's one email, enter an email, and privacy policy. And when I'm clicking the privacy policy, it is coming in the up of the page. And when I write here my email like John Doe at the rate gmail.com. And when I click on the subscribe, so it has been like this, it is come. So now like that you can do it very easily. Yes, so now, and there is one logo is coming of the Facebook, Twitter, and the Instagram. And when my cursor is going there, it is also be hovering. And there is one button is coming of the up, and when I click it, it come into the up of the page. So then now let me show you in the app, inspect. And now in the app it is looking like this. This is one app, okay, because the nav bar is coming in the down. Here you can see in home, then there is like that. Here you can see it. And when I'm clicking here, so it is come in the about section. Here you can see it. And when I come up, it is one, here you can see scroll down, so it is coming the down. Here you can see it. Then steps, so in the steps of manufacturing our products, it is coming like that. And then when I click on the testimonials has been come like this. And then sign up for our new list. This is a I build a coffee app in the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. You don't forget to all the notification bell also. So never miss over any future latest videos about the code Dev Rayyan channel. Okay. So now I meet you next lesson. Next video, I'm making like that our videos of. Okay. So now and now I give you the now introduction. I give the outro in my big screen. So now let's go to the big screen and let me give you the outro of this video. And for today, for myself, for today, goodbye. And that's it. We are successfully built a stylish coffee app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope you found this project and fun and learned something new along the way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what features do you like to add next, or any project do you like to see on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Dev Rayyan for more awesome coding tutorials and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!